How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. I'm filming using my new iPhone. Heard a lot of great things about the video quality, plus a lot of people still complain about my GoPro, which is what I used to film these little kind of garage vlogs with. A lot of people were complaining that like there's that like black line, which is not my fault. It's all these I was gonna call them fake lights, these like indoor kind of lights. It's like a frame rate type of thing. You have to adjust your camera and all that stuff, but I tried it didn't really work that well, so trying to film with the new iPhone. So let me know about the quality and what you guys think about it. But for today's video topic, there's not really a topic. I just kind of wanted to make this video to remind you guys that I am hosting a bike meet tomorrow at 1 p.m. November 20th, Saturday. I don't know if anyone's gonna see it like tonight, and hopefully like maybe tomorrow decide to come. I announced it like a couple of videos ago. Posted a lot about it on my Instagram. If you're not following me, make sure to follow me at amk, because that's where I'm kind of like the most active, and we can kind of stay connected faster, because YouTube I still have to film, like edit, upload, all that. It takes a sec. But on Instagram I literally just post like on my stories or just quick updates, you know, about everything that's going on, if I'm hosting anything like this, or just in general about my life and all. But so yeah, I wanted to talk about tomorrow's meet. It's gonna be at 1 p.m. as I said, Saturday, November 20th. It's gonna be here in Irvine. The address is posted on my story currently on Instagram. It's I believe if you just look up D7 Customs, then it should just come up on Google Maps, and that's where I'm hosting a meet. It's my friend's shop. You guys have been there before. They recently like rebranded, and they offered me to do the meet at their shop, which is very nice of them. So I figured, why not, instead of hosting it at like a parking lot where, you know, you might risk cops coming over and like getting you kicked out because it's private property. If I'm hosting it at my friend's shop, then, you know, that's their shop, so we're allowed to be there. We can hang out, we can do whatever we want. Obviously, like nothing too crazy, but you know, it's gonna be fun. They have like that insane garage lighting, which I posted some stuff about. I feel like both on YouTube and on Instagram. They have like some really cool lights, so it's gonna be sick. You guys can bring your bikes to the back, and we'll put them in like in the shop and take some pictures, all that type of stuff. I'm still debating if I want to take both bikes or just one of my bikes, just have them there for display. I don't know, we'll see. I haven't really decided on that yet, but yeah, so tomorrow that's where the meet is going to be. It's at D7 Customs here in Irvine. It's really close to the Irvine Spectrum at 1 p.m. November 20th, Saturday, tomorrow. I'm pretty excited for it. I haven't really decided still if I want to do a ride or a meet. I think it depends on how many people show up and all that stuff. Usually when like I host group rides, I'd rather do it with like people I know or not host it, because just stress managing it and all that stuff, and I just like to go with the flow type of thing. That's why I haven't decided if I want to do a ride or not yet. But most likely I'm gonna want to do a ride, just because there's a lot of people with bikes, so it's always fun to do a little ride afterwards. Yeah, so we'll probably hang out there for like a couple hours or something like that, and maybe do a little ride somewhere, and we'll figure out honestly tomorrow as we go. But I hope to see most of you guys there. Again, I just wanted to make this video to remind everyone about the meet that's happening tomorrow, because I don't know if you guys want to come chill, hang out, check out the bikes and the shop. It'll be a lot of fun. Get you too some good pictures of your bikes in their shop, since they have a like really nice setup. It'd be a lot of fun, and it'll be great to meet some of you guys. So yeah, I hope to see as many of you as possible. Literally less than half a year ago, none of this would have been possible. My YouTube, I was like under 1,000 subs not even half a year ago, so very grateful for all the support and all you guys have done for the channel. I'm doing my best to stay consistent. It's really hard, especially right now because winter is coming up, and well, it's it's pretty much winter. It's pretty cold right now, so not as many people want to ride, and it gets dark like really early. I think sunset is like 4:30 or 5, which is pretty dang early. You guys know me, I like sunset rides. Definitely a little harder to make some content, but I will try my best to not disappoint and make as much as possible. I'm still aiming for filming 5 times a week, as I have been doing ever since like June or something like that. Hopefully till the end of the year, I'm gonna try to stay consistent with 5 times a week posts here on YouTube. Also, feel free to leave any like video ideas, stuff you guys want to see in the comments down below. Honestly, like I don't have a theme for my channel, you know what I mean? Obviously it's like around motorcycles because that's my passion, but I am very open to doing pretty much whatever, to be honest. So if you guys want to see a specific video with any of the bikes, feel free to give me that suggestion. I'll most likely do it, especially if it's a good video. If it's a good video, I'll give you credit for it too. How about that? You'll get a free shout out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Just quick video as a reminder. Sorry that wasn't a ride today. I was gonna go to a meet, but I was extremely busy today, and figured because tomorrow the meet is kind of early, we're gonna go there. You know, I gotta make sure everything goes smoothly and good and all that. So figured we'll just cancel the meet tonight and just do kind of prepare for tomorrow. So hope to see you all, or as many of you as possible, tomorrow. I forgot to mention it's in Southern California, but I did say the address, so you guys will figure it out. Also check out my Instagram for more details and all the stuff about the meet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know also how you like the quality of this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.